stuff. You know, funny thing, I don't even have a damn appetite. I don't. I don't. The only thing I ate was a few grains of rice, a few grains. I have a whole meal. My sister brought me whole food, and I only ate a small amount of it, and I ate one fried dumpling or a couple of fried dumplings actually, and that's it. Oh Lord. I don't know. My life is a mess right now. My life is a mess right now. I'm going through some things. I'm going through some things right now. A whole lot of shit I'm going through. A whole lot. Like, I went to urology recently. I went to urology recently, right? I went to the urologist hospital, urology, Westmoreland Street. I went there recently. And they sent me to do some scans at the main hospital. After they did their scans at they wanted me to go, they wanted me to do went to nuclear medicine, right, where they put furosemide through my body and stuff. I don't know if you guys know what furosemide is, but furosemide is this medicine. They put you on a CT machine to scan you, and they inject you with furosemide to see how your kidney functions, right? I did that before. I did the furosemide nuclear stuff at Royal Free. I did it before at Royal Free, and honestly, that thing traumatized me. It literally traumatized me, because I don't know if you guys have ever been through. Listen, I know for a fact I'm a strong human being. I'm a strong person. I'm strong. I've gone through a whole lot of things. It's only because I don't come in here and talk things I'm going through why you guys are not privy to things that is affecting me somewhat, right? I did the furosemide stuff at Royal Free, and it really traumatized me because when they did it to me, every time I was on the machine and they were doing the scans, I'm like, listen, I cannot. Every minute I tell them to stop, I need to pee. I peed so many times when I was doing that damn scan, right? And just so happens when I went back to Westmoreland Street now, because Westmoreland Street now have taken over back my care, because that's where all of my domino effect started, from Westmoreland Street. So it's only fair they take back over my medical whatever you guys want to call it, my medical, but it's better they take it back over. So when I went back to Westmoreland Street, and they wanted me to do the same procedure again, I went back to the main hospital. I'm like, hold on, isn't this the same thing I've done before? And to be quite frank, people, I really couldn't put myself in that, because even when I was going home from Royal Free, I literally stopped every 5 minutes to pee, because that furosemide, it is horrible. I wouldn't recommend it to any of you. I really wouldn't recommend it to any of you. I wouldn't, because listen, people, take care of yourselves. Take care of yourselves, because listen, the stuff I go through, I wouldn't wish that on any of you. I wouldn't. Whether you like me or not, I wouldn't wish it on you. You know, because my life is a whole mess right now. And the things I'm going through, health-wise, and all of these things, I promise you, I know some people are going to take this life and they're perhaps going to ridicule me, whatever. I will tell you, today for you, tomorrow for me. Just have that in the forefront of your mind before you take this life and go and ridicule, right? Anyways, when I went to the main hospital back at UCL, they wanted me to do the same thing over. So listen, I cannot go through that again. I cannot, because it was really horrible. However, that when they said, okay, they're gonna do some delayed imaging, like delayed scans, right? And the doctor called me